Welcome, my friends, not only to Nevada, but to Arizona as well, as we, for some strange reason, I guess the sake of the vlog, are going to put aside our terrifying nature of heights and actually take a look and a walk across this. The Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Here, near the Hoover Dam, Nevada this way, and that side of the road there, y'all, well, that's AZ, Arizona, to you non-Romans, and that is a peak at the Colorado River, way down there. And this bridge is flat out insane. So join me on another aimless adventure I wish I wasn't doing. Now, as you can tell, not only do we have a high bridge here, but we've got traffic zipping on by. Now, we're still in the safe zone. As you look over here, you can see the Hoover Dam just beyond the crevice, just beyond here, right there. So we're going to take a walk down here and get a better look. All right, now we made ourselves about 1/4 the way across this bad boy. You can take a look down the road right below us, which if we would have continued would have brought us right over there to the Hoover Dam. Engineering marvel of its own kind with this bridge here. Well, that's something else. See what I mean by this traffic? Comforting, isn't it? And as you all can see, there's all kind of folk bobbing, weaving, and crowding it up down there. So not sure how long it's going to take us to actually get down there. That will be the goal. Let's see if we can make our way towards the center of doom. It's official. We made it pretty much to the middle. Oh, it's interesting. You take a look way down there and check out those vehicles. You wonder how they're getting them in there. You can see where they're driving them out through those doors on both sides. Well, folks, as you can tell, I'm actually levitating over the Hoover Dam. I learned this from David Blaine. Now, I just need a television crew. So if anybody out there wants to pick me up, Aimless Adventures vlog via some low-budget, not as talented redneck version of Hugh Hauser, I'm your guy. Maybe it only plays in 2 markets, my head and YouTube, but that'll work for now. Check this out. That's the Hoover Dam. You've seen it a bazillion times, but now I'm actually right here on the very, very edge of a bad idea. The whole point is I'm terrified to drive across this bridge. Anytime we're coming or going east or west on our various journeys. Mrs. Aimless Adventures there, go check out her channel, Occasional Adventures on YouTube, the Tube. So anytime I'm driving over this bridge, I'm always terrified. And I figured, why not? Why not get over that terrifiedness, if that's even verbiage in the English language? Hopefully you can hear me. I'm kind of yelling because traffic is right there just jamming by. Anyways, trying to make it to Arizona. Technically, we're already on the Arizona side. This is the Arizona side. That is the Nevada side of the dam. So as we make our way a little further east, we're actually got quite a bit to go. I'm not sure where it turns us around, but I guess where them folks are all congregating there. There's the Arizona side. We're going to get to that, or sign rather. We're on the Arizona side. We're going to try and get to the Arizona sign here right quick. You can see behind me, that's actually Lake Mead, the channel that comes through. And actually, through that area right there, there actually are buildings underwater and around that corner as well, through that area, right in there. When they were building the Hoover Dam, they actually had little areas over in that area where people would kind of stay and whatnot. I don't think they were living there, but I could be wrong. If you know more about Hoover Dam, Boulder Dam as it's known in these parts, then post it in the comments below. And let's all learn a whole bunch of stuff. Now, I do know that there was only one time in the history of this dam where it actually, the water came over the spillways. I think it was in like 1983, somewhere in that area. I didn't get to the west until, first time I moved out west was 1989. So back in 1989, you used to be able to drive tractor trailers across this thing, but of course, since then the world has gotten weird and things have changed a bit, so you can't drive a tractor trailer across there, but you can see you actually can drive vehicles. So hopefully one day on the vlog, I'll actually get to take y'all, all of us, up in here, down into that dam for the dam tour. Who wants to take a dam tour? Our journey is almost complete. We are closing in on the Arizona side, or the sign, or the side. I'm feeling much better. If I fall from here, I'm dead, but I'm not as dead as I would be over there. That's pretty wild. Check that out. That sounds fun. Well, it looks like, I think, we might possibly could be nearing the end of the travel. And Mrs. Aimless Adventures over there, Occasional Adventures on YouTube, the Tube, said, hey, there's money over there. So, and there's sunglasses too. I'm pretty sure we're not going to get them, but we'll take a look. Where's this money and sunglasses?
Well, the sunglasses are right straight down.
Yep, I see the sunglasses and some trash.
Yeah, right over here.
And people are throwing quarters up there.
Not big money, but still. Why are you going to throw commercial?
Oh, blocking the camera. You realize if I go to get that money, I've won more than I did in Powerball. True story. So I think we're going to head back. You see right over my shoulder here, we've got the Arizona sign. I'm going to pause this bad boy, get a little zoom in so you can see the Arizona state flag on a sign. Look, everybody, it's the Arizona sign. Ooh. Impressive. Most impressive. One thing I just realized, I don't know why it's taken this long, but we actually haven't shown you the bridge other than the railings that go around it, the walls here with the traffic, and some of the fine folk that are making their way hither and yon. So, if time allows, we're going to get over to the dam so you can actually see a photograph or actual video of what we're walking across. These kids are having a blast. They're out of their mind. They're jumping, skipping. The times they have changed. Back in the late 80s, early 90s when I first saw this Hoover Dam / Boulder Dam, the water was actually up to about right here. Here we are, 20 some years down the road. Whole lot more people in the Vegas Valley, a lot more pools, grass, consumption. And you can see the water line of how much this bad boy has dropped. Well, my friends, I thank you for joining me on another Aimless Adventures vlog here on You to the Tube. You can see over my shoulder there is the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, which we all walked over. Cars are still coming on through. Coming and going, bobbing and weaving. That bridge was flat out sketchy. Legit, but sketchy. Built well and an engineering marvel, but I'm kind of glad I did it. Now I don't have to do it ever again, other than drive over it when I'm heading east. So that's about it. Don't forget, check below for the old t-shirts and the social networks. Aimless Adventures, all one word, on Instagram, Facebook. aimlessadventures.spreadshirt.com if you're looking to get yourself a sweet AAV hat or t-shirt. It's another look at that bridge and that dude driving by. Have a good day. Thanks for joining me on another Aimless Adventure.